Hey guys, in this lecture we will talk about 3D knit. So there are two way we can create 3D knit. The first way is we can bring a swatch. So you can see here I have swatch and I applied crop filter, equalize filter, and I use make it tile filter, and even I use color variation to change color. Okay, so this is first method you if you already have swatch, but let me show you if you don't have a swatch and you want to create from scratch. Okay, so in that case let me create a new project, and now I can go for cloth weave. So this is another way we can use cloth weave and we can create 3D knit from scratch. So now I have 3D weave here in my layers panel, and here we have properties. So first of all, let's see what parameters we can change here. So first thing we want to do, like, so in woven fabric we use both weft and warp yarn, but in to create a 3D knit we need just some vertical columns. Okay, vertical columns of loops. Okay, so let me start with only weft. Okay, so now I selected only weft, and also I wanna use my multiplier so I can see more yarn here. Okay, so I'm using 10 by I'm using 10 times. Okay, or I'm multiplying 10 times, I can say. And now I can go here and yeah, now if you see here, like we have these row, and also under this, like we still have that yarn. Okay, so we wanna see just top one, we don't wanna see bottom one. Okay, so let's go here and say for weft just say none. And now you can see we don't have that another layer here. Okay, we have just one. And now let's go to our yarn and just say I wanna make it a little thicker. So just say 0.85 and press enter. And another thing I wanna change, yeah. So I am keeping it cotton, but definitely you can try different options from here. Like you can make a little bit shiny, or uh, you can use synthetic, you can make metallic. And so these are the options you can choose, but I want to keep it cotton. And next thing I want to change blending mode, so I want to make it height blend, and I want to do imperfection intensity 0. Yeah, and now you can see we have just straight lines, nothing else. So now another filter we want to add here, transform. Yep, it's here, transform. And we want to transform two things here. One is we want to transform scale. We want to make it -1, enter. And we want to change this horizontal offset. And we want to do 0.082. So I'm entering this number because I already tried them, but yeah, you can enter different number and you can do some experiment. Cloth weave. And now whatever setting we entered here, we want to do in the second cloth weave layer. Okay, so go here and just say I want to only weft, and I want to change this 10 times. And I don't want a colorful weft. And next thing I want to change the width, 0.85, enter. And also in advanced, I want to change blending mode, and I want to make imperfections 0. Did I miss something? Because I can see black here. Okay, let me see. Only weft, none. Oh, it's light. Okay. Yeah, maybe I need to change my light. So let's go to that. Yeah, and now I can see. So if you see this kind of gap, you can go back to your advanced parameter, and you can make imperfections 0. Go again and make imperfections 0. Yeah, and now you can see we don't have any gap, and we have our fabric here. You can add color if you want to add a color. So to add color, I can go for color variation. And in color variation, generally we do like we can add color here. We can go directly here and add color, but I want to do advanced segmentation. So I can enter 2 different colors, and also here I want to change this to ambient occlusion so I can get my micro details. And now let me increase blur a little bit, and now I can choose color. Okay, so I want to make I want to make blue, and also for this I want the same color but a little bit darker. Okay. So let's go here and choose a little bit dark. So we did this, so we can see dark color between these rows. Okay, so let me go back to my cloth wheel and change this to 0. I'm not sure what's wrong with this filter. Like you need to go back and you need to do it again and again. Yeah, because whenever we apply a new filter, you will see the imperfections again. Yeah, so we need to go back and we need to move to 0. Now it looks good. And you can see we have combination of dark and light color, and which is giving us realism. And yeah, now it's ready, and even you can use pattern filter and you can apply pattern on this. Okay, so now I want to save this. I can go to file, save as, and I can save this. So this is my 3D knit, and I can say save. Thank you. Thank you so much.